Namaste dear students, this is Rupesh Pathak and today I am going to start in my series that second episode. The second episode is what about Sanskrit pronunciation and writing rules, vowel, consonant, special sounds, learn Sanskrit from scratch. So, welcome to my channel Learn Sanskrit with Pathak. In the previous lesson we learned the complete Sanskrit alphabet and the place of pronunciation. Today we are going to one step further. By the ending this video, you will understand type of vowel, type of consonant, special sounds, rule of pronunciation, how Sanskrit word formed. This topic is very important. How to divide words into syllable. Now, so let's begin here. Type of vowel. Here, type of vowel is, I already in the previous video also I have explained this one. The type of vowel is what? A vowel means swara. So there are four type of vowels are there. First one is Rishva Swar. How we are writing this one in Sanskrit? Rishva Swaraha. So here Rishva Swaraha. Rishva Swaraha is what? A, E, U, Ri and Ri. For example, when we say the sound is very short and very quick. This is very quick sound is coming. Now, next one is Dirgha vowel or Dirgha Swara. The second category is Dirgha or long vowel. These vowels are pronounced in two matras. These are held little longer than the Hrisva Swara. The sounds of this Dirgha Swara is A, E, U and Ri. Now, here how we are making this one, if A plus A, we are making here A. So what we are saying, where the two matra sound is coming, in that one we are using here two matra sound. Now, third one is Sanyukta Vyanjan. Sanyukta Swara. Sanyukta Swara, how we are making in this one? Sanyukta Swara, if A plus E, that will form as A. Here by mistake this one type here and this one also. If it is plus A, then we are making here I. Or else we can say if or A plus E or E, that will be A. If or A plus A or I, then we are making here I. This rule also we are learning in the Sandhi, that upcoming videos we will see. Now, next one is Plutswara. Plutswara generally we are using in the Vedas or when we are calling someone, if somebody is very far and we are calling from the far person, there we are using that Plutswara. For example, we are saying if a person is standing so far and we are calling the person, we are saying Ra and Ma, Ram. The sound we are stretching, that is called Plutswara. So generally we are not using in this one. For example, in mantras we are using like Om Hari Om Sustena Indro Vijay Swaha, like that. These mantras we are using in these mantras. So now there are four type of swara are there in this one. First one is Risva Swar, Dirgha Swar, Sanyukta Swar and Plut Swar. Now after that, I'm saying here swar and their matra if I'm using here. So what does it mean? So all the swaras having their own symbol. For example, if I'm saying here a letter, so a is not having any matra. Like if I'm adding with this ka plus a, then it will become ka. Now, if I'm saying here a matra, it means a is having one matra. Like here ka plus a is equal to ka. Next one, if I'm saying here e is having from left to right we are giving. It means if I'm saying here ka plus e, then symbol we will use ki. Now this one is badi e and we are using this one. Like we are saying here ka plus badi e is equal to ki. Good. If u is there, down u ki matra we are giving ka dash and then u. In this one ka plus u, ku. Now next one is ku. Very good. Now ku. Next one is ri ki matra. Re we are using re, like ka, halantyam, and re. Then we are using here kri, kri, with the pronunciation of this one kri. Now next one is a, a this symbol. If ka plus a is equal to k, now I, double matra we are using here. Ka plus I is equal to kai. Now O is equal to 1 line. Ka halantyam O is equal to ko. Now if for next one you are using, this one is O. Ka plus O is equal to ko. Now one more thing, and is not coming under the swara, not even under the vyanjan. Upcoming in this slide only we will see here now. Type of consonants. Now type of consonants or type of vyanjan we are seeing here. Type of vyanjan is what? There are, so in this one we are saying there are, first one is, first one is Sparsh Vyanjan. In last video, I have explained that from which part we are pronouncing the consonants, that is called Sparsh Vyanjan. Like Ucharan Than we have done, yes. This one is, we are saying Sparsh Vyanjan. Sparsh Vyanjan. Sparsh meaning is what? Touching or touch. Wherever our tongue is touching a long time in our mouth, that is called Sparsh Vyanjan. These are letters from K to Ma. Now, next one we are saying here, Antahastha. Antastha meaning is what? The letter is inside in our mouth only. For example, if you are saying ya, ra, la, va, it is not coming out. And while pronouncing this one, different place we are touching our tongue. Now, next one is Ushma Varna. The sound is Ushma here is what? Ushma Varna. Ushma meaning is heat or hot. Word means letter, not means that hot letter. It means when the sound, while pronouncing these letters from inside our stomach or inside our mouth, when the heat is coming out. For example, you put your hand here and then try to say sa, sh, the, ha. The air is coming out. So here I have written also that while pronouncing them, air continuously come out. Try to say these letters. You can feel the airflow. Now next one is Ayogvaha. I was talking about this one only. These are the these are special sign like and aha. Is above the dot and is beside the letter we are using. Now special pronunciation of this one is what? Simply we are saying here the letter is but this is not exactly ma we are using. It depends on the Vargiya Vyanjan. It depends on the Vargiya Vyanjan next letter. For example, if I am saying here we are using ka, kha, ga, gha, nya, shankara. Here we are using here na letter. Depends on the fifth letter. Depends on the Vargiya Vyanjan. According to their fifth letter, we are using this one. For example, Pankaj. Pan we are not using. Here we are not using Pankaj. Pankaj here we are not using. We are using here Pankaj. Okay. Similarly, if I'm saying the word is Shanti. So ta, tha, the, the, na. So the ta letter, fifth letter is na. Because of this ta letter, now if I'm writing this one, and sorry, if I'm writing this one, so we will pronounce this one as Shanti. Now, if the letter, if we are using, for example, After this dot, any Vargiya Vyanjan is not there, then how we will use this one? We should pronounce this letter softly, very softly, like Samskritam. Samskritam. It is not a Sanskrit word. No. No is not there. It is ma, and very gently and very softly. Samskritam. Now we are coming on the word Vigraha. Vigraha is two dot. Some of the people are saying that aha. It is not aha. It's just her. Pronunciation of this symbol is what? Her. Like Ramaha. This one is Ramaha. Ramaha. It is not Ra Ma Ha. It's not Ramaha. Ramaha is not there. This one is Ramaha. Now, the breath should be gentle. Ramaha. Now, next one is Jehva Mulya sound. These are very rare. We are not using. Some of the things are we are not using in this one. I just scroll up. You can read this one. Generally, these all we are using in the Vedas recitations. When we are reading the Vedas and all, in that one we are reading all these things. Now, next one is Sanskrit writing rule is very important in this one. As I said, like I show you here already, that how we are writing for these all letters. Like according to Swara, we are just joining the letter and then we are writing here the letter. This one we are saying Barakhadi also. The Barakhadi like Gunita Aksharani. The word, the topic is we are saying as the Gunita Aksharani is what? Gunita Aksharani. It means in Hindi we are using as Barakhadi. Barakhadi we are using, for example, Ka, Ka, Ki, Ku, and so on with the Swara. When the vowel we are adding with the Swara in that one. Now, second one is what? When we are splitting this one, splitting part also we should know. For example, I'm writing here Ram word. If I'm writing here Ram word, so here Ra, Halant, plus A, plus Ma, plus A. Now see here, in this one, there is no any matra. There is no any matra. And here Halantyam also is not there. So here we are writing just a letter we are writing in this one. In this one, just we are writing here a letter. Now next one is joining and splitting is like this only. Some other things also we can see here. That one is like some rule we should know here. What all the rules are there. For example, some letter I explain you here about the R letter. This is also very important. Most of the students are getting confused mostly in this one, like where should be and what should be. For example, I'm writing here this letter. I'm writing here Karya. This is Karya. So K plus A plus, if R is coming up, then before this letter will come, wherever on the R is there, no, that one before the letter is coming, and that particular letter is half. K plus A plus R plus Y plus A. Now you can see here this Y is full but R is half. We are not saying there Karaya. We are using this one as Karya. But when we are using this one as this word is Prakash. Pa, 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 here, plus a R plus A plus K plus A plus Sh plus A. Prakash. If we are using here Prakash, then Halantya we can give. Now you see here, if the R is coming down, then R will be full. So, for example, one more example. This one we are reading Karm, but this one we are using as Kram. K half and R full. So whenever R is down, R will be full. Whenever R is up, there will be half. What does it mean? Up, half, down, full. Okay, so in this video till this much only, In the next video, I will going to explain you about what is the meaning of vachan, how many ling are there in Sanskrit, what is the meaning of purush as person. So in the upcoming video, we will learn all these things also. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, share with your friends. It will help for them also. And uh, if genuinely like the video, please subscribe my channel. I really get the like confidence I'm getting if you are subscribing. Just one click only for you all. I hope you will definitely subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till here.